trap now. You on the trap now.
About to be a state of elevation, because the underdog is eating, cause I'm starving like I'm Marvin, yo, emaciated overdose. Y'all never know the feeling that I get whenever I see the same bitches who play Dylan come on Facebook catching feelings. I'm appealing, now they feel the sound, trying to get a feeling on my dick so she can stick around. She just think I'm different now, tatted up, braces gone, tell her bitch leave me alone. Only thing she want is for the kid to fucking take her home and lay it on the table. Hop in the range, the game is changing up, switch hit and I'm dangerous, Michael Jackson's angel dust. Pardon me, I'm Hollywood, these lame MCs is zombie, and I'm jamming out like Molly with the bitches born. State of elevation, now I'm levitating, raise the stakes, it ain't too late. We got me feeling great, floating on a cloud, it's amazing. Jimmy Purple hazing, taking over nations, we motherfucking blazing. Hey, we levitating, raise the stakes, it ain't too late. We got me feeling great, floating on a cloud, it's amazing. Jimmy Purple hazing, taking over nations, we motherfucking blazing. I said our friendship, sex and party after section, she was texting her best friend cause she won next, and I'm sure she gonna get it with this modern day Mike Seaver. Martin, she was Gina, told us I know, but it was really nice to meet you. Now it's on to the next one, learn a life lesson. Fuck 'em but don't love 'em, so the next day I ain't texting. Missed calls by anonymous, haters wanna try be us. Do, not interested in the politics. The only thing I wanna do is body the game. Remember the name, Dylan Cooper, the Dark Knight. Brass knuckles and knife fights, get light and Harlem shake. Coops time to dominate, the show is on the road. My pockets swollen up them big bills, always gotta stay trill. Red light, pop 'em off, top spot to knock 'em off. Take over like hijackers, detonation coming faster, blowing up, we mass attacking. Stevie Wonder, Master Blaster, killing all these state of elevation, now I'm levitating, raise the stakes, it ain't too late. We got me feeling great, floating on a cloud, it's amazing. Jimmy Purple hazing, taking over nations, we motherfucking blazing. Hey, we levitating, raise the stakes, it ain't too late. We got me feeling great, floating on a cloud, it's amazing. Jimmy Purple hazing, taking over nations, we motherfucking blazing. Big up, it's a stick up, call the motherfucking cops, they don't pick up. I got the ammunition in the system, making hits get rich and bitches on my dick, man, it's sick, man, I'm living this. It's wicked a wicked bitch, lick a clitoris, I'm feeling it. Hit hitting it, a voodoo child. Play guitar that Hendrix style, flooding shit. Texas Stevie Ray Vaughan, Genghis Khan and Emperor. Mac Cobra, Jamaican nigga flexing, yup. Brooklyn is the best in this. Haters who need evidence, I'm selling it all separate and building money like Tetris. Irrelevance, my detriment, body bagging perfection. It's expressionist, then I'm going express. Niggas get left, guitar on my chest, spitting that depth. You heard that I'm coming for heads and cutting your neck. Better speed up, you gotta get left. Sing on the rhymes, croak with a crime, murder the track. I'm doing some time, living divine, sign of the times, take over. State of elevation, now I'm levitating. Race stakes, it ain't too late. We got me feeling great, floating on a cloud, it's amazing. Jimmy Purple hazing, taking over nations, we motherfucking blazing. Hey, we levitating, race stakes, it ain't too late. We got me feeling great, floating on a cloud, it's amazing. Jimmy Purple hazing, taking over nations, we motherfucking blazing. On a cloud, it's amazing. Jimmy Purple hazing, taking over nations, we motherfucking blazing.